Hello everyone, I'm Shaburi from hookedinloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos then please click the bell icon. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful necklace. I have made this using cotton fabric and painted on it. I have decorated it with cowries, jute thread and thread balls. I have made the string myself. If you want a tutorial, then comment in the comment section. Okay, so let's begin. We'll take a cardboard and cut it out in a circular shape. The diameter is completely based on your choice. And I will take cotton fabric. I'm showing this portion of the tutorial with a black colored fabric, but I will continue with the white colored fabric. Okay, so we will place the fabric and cut it out in this manner. Okay, and stick it to the cardboard in the manner I am showing you. I have used fabric glue for sticking the fabric to the cardboard. Okay. In the same manner, we will cut the fabric in small portions throughout the circumference of the circle and stick it to the cardboard using the fabric glue. Okay, so we will continue doing like this. After this, we will allow it to dry. I have done this portion of the tutorial with a white colored fabric, and I have already made the outline of the drawing on which I will be painting. So let's start painting. The painting is completely based on your own imagination. You can use this drawing as a reference and paint it. We have completed painting our neck piece. Now we will start decorating it. So we will be adding jute thread along the border of the neck piece, okay, using fevicryl. We will now allow it to dry. Okay, I have already added the string on one side, and exactly on the other side we will first attach the jump ring. Okay, and we will close the jump ring using pliers, and then we will add another jump ring and pass it through that jump ring which we added earlier. And now we will pass a string through this jump ring. Okay, so let us close it and pass the string. I have crocheted my string. I have done only chains, but still if you want to see the tutorial, then comment in the comment section. It's very easy. And after you have passed the string, just add the thread balls. If you want to see the tutorial on this thread ball, then comment in the comment section. And at the bottom we will be adding cowries, and we will join those using jump rings. Okay, and the neck piece is completely ready. I hope it was easy for you to follow. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries. My channel has got really cool crochet patterns, so you can always check it out. Other than crochet, I have got series of fabric jewelries and clay jewelries. You can check those out too. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.